How to fix Citi Bank app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now at the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, Citi, and then search for it. Where that app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your settings. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of General. Head towards the option of iPhone storage. Now you will need to clear cache for the app. So scroll down. Find the app Citi Mobile. After you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, go ahead and click on the option of Delete app. You'll get the pop-up Delete app. Click on that option, and with that, you just deleted this app from your device. Then what you have to do is open your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Citi. After app appears, download it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Citi Bank app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.